Trauma might shape us, but it isn't the only thing that defines who we are. We all have stories. Some are just harder to tell than others. FGMC is something I've known about my entire life. Female genital mutilation and cutting is a practice that is being done on girls anywhere from birth to adolescence when they're too young to consent or know what's happening to them. It was something that happened to girls in the community I grew up in. It happened to me as well. As I learned more and realized it was a human rights violation, I recognized that this was something that needed to be talked about. The only way to create change is to break that silence. Sayo is the Bora Gujarati word for Sahelio, which means female friend. Sayo's mission is to work with Asian and other communities to create positive social change and end female genital mutilation and cutting. It's a global issue, but it is happening here in the United States and a lot more than people realize. We have been working to create policy change in the United States. There are 9 states left that do not have any type of legislation. There's still a ton more work to do. It's about recognizing the harm that has been done and ensuring that we change so it doesn't happen to future generations.